In tonight's Fact or Fiction, we're looking into a picture being sent around online this month, and it claims to show a perfectly rectangular iceberg in Antarctica. Many people are saying this clearly is a piece of digital trickery.
Antarctica is the last frontier. It holds our imagination.
Beyond its bone-chilling cold and uninhabited expanses, Antarctica holds a treasure trove of mysterious discoveries that are bound to send shivers down your spine. So join us in today's video as we unveil some of the shocking revelations from the frozen heart of Antarctica that have not only shocked but also reshaped our understanding of this desolate continent. A rectangular iceberg. In the year 2018, NASA unveiled a startling revelation. A colossal monolithic slab of ice captured by its IceBridge aircraft. This impressive ice formation was spotted floating just off the Larsen C ice shelf. And what's truly fascinating is its near-perfect rectangular shape. NASA had embarked on a mission to image the polar regions of Earth, seeking insights into recent changes in ice thickness, accumulation patterns, and more. Yet this particular iceberg is no ordinary angular ice mass with just its tips visible. It belongs to a distinct category known as tabular icebergs. Tabular icebergs are categorized by their flat, plateau-like tops and nearly vertical sides. Typically, they break away from ice shelves and are renowned for their immense size. While the exact dimensions of this particular iceberg are yet to be measured, the largest recorded iceberg globally, iceberg B15, measures a staggering 183 miles in length and 23 miles in width. It broke off from the Ross Ice Shelf in the year 2000. The rectangular iceberg observed on the Larsen Ice Shelf stands at an estimated height of about 130 feet. To put its sheer mass into perspective, it contains enough ice to fill every swimming pool in California multiple times over if it were to melt away. Nazis and the Lost City. Antarctica, with its frozen expanse and enigmatic aura, has long been a hotbed for mystery and a breeding ground for conspiracy theories. Over the years, it has been associated with a myriad of intriguing speculations, ranging from elongated skulls and enigmatic pyramids to alleged alien spaceships, peculiar structures, and even reports of a colossal staircase. For some, the belief persists that Antarctica either once harbored extraterrestrial life or still does to this day. Each year, numerous reports of UFO sightings surface, and Google Earth has captured its share of purportedly anomalous activities attributed by some to extraterrestrial beings. The region has become a veritable hotspot for avid alien hunters, always on the lookout for strange green lights streaking across the Antarctic sky. Yet the mysteries of Antarctica run deeper than its surface. Many believe that the legendary lost city of Atlantis lies concealed beneath the kilometers-thick ice. A thriving civilization buried in the wake of Antarctica's transformation from a warm, tropical realm to an ice-covered continent during the last ice age. While the idea of an Antarctic Atlantis is compelling, conclusive evidence remains elusive. Another compelling theory suggests that the Nazis, in their quest for the occult and hidden knowledge, utilized underground Antarctica as a clandestine refuge. Some even speculate that Hitler himself sought sanctuary there after World War II. It's true that the Nazi Germans established a station in Antarctica, but it was abandoned 7 decades ago following an unfortunate episode of polar bear meat poisoning. Despite the debunking of this theory, the allure of Antarctica's hidden secrets persist. Antarctica, often referred to as the Great White Continent, remains one of Earth's most perplexing and unexplained corners. Despite the relentless efforts of scientists worldwide, it's possible that we may never fully unravel all of its mysteries. Vanishing ice. The rate of ice loss in Antarctica continues to escalate each year, with staggering figures revealing that the continent has shed an astonishing 3 trillion tons of ice in the past quarter century. This revelation comes from an extensive study conducted by a global team of 84 researchers who analysed data collected through multiple satellite surveys spanning a 25-year period from 1992 to 2017. Alarmingly, their findings indicate that Antarctica is now losing ice at a rate nearly 3 times faster than it did prior to 2012. Since 2012, Antarctica has consistently lost more than 241 billion tons of ice annually. The cumulative ice loss during the study period contributed to a rise in sea levels of approximately 0.3 inches, with about 0.1 inches of that occurring between 2012 and 2017. This research challenges previous assertions that climate change would have minimal impact on Antarctica's immense ice sheets, revealing that the continent's ice cover may be more susceptible to global warming than previously believed. Furthermore, the study underscores the potential consequences of a complete melting of all of Antarctica's ice, which could result in a staggering sea level increase of approximately 190 feet. These findings serve as a stark reminder of the pressing need for climate action to mitigate the impact of rising sea levels and the broader implications of global warming. Remains of a massive asteroid. Recent scientific discoveries have unveiled a mysterious anomaly lurking beneath Wilkes Land, a frozen expanse spanning 151 miles in width and reaching depths of around 2,700 feet. This enigmatic anomaly is suspected to be the remnant of an enormous asteroid, approximately twice the size of the Chicxulub asteroid responsible for the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. If this hypothesis holds true, it implies that this asteroid might have played a role in the Permian-Triassic extinction event, which led to the demise of over 96% of marine life and up to 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. The initial observation of this anomaly dates back to 2006, when NASA satellites detected a massive object situated within a 300-mile wide crater in Wilkes Land. However, the initial assumption that this anomaly was linked to the extinction of the dinosaurs was subsequently ruled out by Ralph von Frieser, a professor specializing in geological sciences at Ohio State University. Von Frieser identified a separate impact crater associated with the dinosaur extinction event, confirming that the Wilkes Land impact was significantly larger. Nevertheless, another theory has arisen, suggesting that the mysterious object might be a colossal UFO base. This speculative notion adds an intriguing layer to the ongoing mystery surrounding Wilkes Land, leaving scientists and researchers with many unanswered questions. A lake buried in the ice. In the depths of Antarctica, yet another mystery has emerged. During an expedition led by John Priscu, a professor of polar ecology at the University of Montana, a team of 25 researchers explored the subglacial Lake Mercer and stumbled upon an astonishing discovery. They uncovered a concealed lake spanning approximately 54 square miles beneath the icy sheet, raising the intriguing possibility that this buried lake might harbour more advanced forms of life. This revelation gains added significance as similar signs of a hidden saltwater lake were identified on Mars by the European Space Agency's Mars Express spacecraft. The Lake Mercer water samples analysed by the expedition contains roughly 10,000 bacterial cells per millimetre. Although this constitutes just 1% of the microbial density commonly found in the open ocean, 1 million microbial cells per millimetre, it represents an unusually high count for a light-deprived body of water concealed deep under an Antarctic glacier. These findings have led Professor Priscu to conclude that the substantial presence of bacterial cells in the buried lake suggests its potential to support higher life forms, such as microscopic animals like tardigrades. Hidden earthquakes. Scientists have unearthed a trove of concealed earthquakes nestled beneath Antarctica's icy expanse, overturning previous assumptions that the colossal ice sheets would stifle seismic activity on the continent. While Antarctica may have fewer earthquakes compared to other regions, it's far from devoid of them. In 2009, Amanda Loff, an assistant professor at Drexel University in Pennsylvania, and her team strategically positioned an array of sensors across Antarctica, even in remote locations believed to be devoid of seismic activity. To their astonishment, these sensors captured 27 small earthquakes, ranging from magnitude 2.1 to 3.9, which had previously gone unnoticed. This revelation highlights the need for the right instruments to record such events accurately. The newfound knowledge places East Antarctica in a category akin to other cratons with rift systems, geological features responsible for the Earth's tectonic movements and the separation of continents. Cratons are expansive, stable rock structures within the Earth's crust that underlie continents. East Antarctica's rift, which passes through the Gamburtsev subglacial mountains, is about 100 million years old, but continues to undergo gradual movement. Jade green icebergs. Typically, icebergs are recognized for their white or blue colors, but encountering jade and emerald green icebergs is an extraordinary rarity. These mesmerizing green icebergs have confounded scientists for decades, their unusual color a long-standing mystery. However, recent revelations have begun to unveil the secrets behind the unique green tint of certain icebergs. Through a series of tests conducted on ice samples retrieved from beneath the Amery ice shelf, scientists have identified iron oxides in seawater as a likely explanation for these uncommon icebergs' distinctive hue. Dr. Mark Curran, a glaciologist from the Australian Antarctic Division, explains that the iceberg's remarkable colour arises from the interaction between the yellow-tinged iron oxide in seawater and the crystalline blue of the ice. While conventional Antarctic icebergs originate from snow or fresh water accumulated on the Antarctic plateau or glaciers, jade icebergs have a different origin. They form when mineral-rich seawater freezes in layers beneath an ice shelf. These jade icebergs consist of strata of pristine blue-white ice from the glacier interspersed with greener ice from the frozen seawater. This discovery carries significant implications, as these distinctive jade icebergs are mineral-rich and serve as transporters of essential nutrients to regions in the Southern Ocean suffering from iron deficiencies. Understanding this process is crucial because iron is a vital trace nutrient necessary for the growth of microscopic plants at the foundation of the Antarctic marine food web known as marine phytoplankton. Which of these discoveries left you momentarily stunned? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more captivating videos in the future.